Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find your membership card on the Decathlon application, so that when you are purchasing something in person at a Decathlon or in a Decathlon shop, you will be able to show this card so that you will collect points and then you can get discounts. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the third icon down below, and after that click on the My Membership Card section, which is the second one. Here you can find your code down below, below your name, and your membership barcode as well, that you need to show to the cashier at the or in the store when you are purchasing something. As you can see, you can add it to your Apple wallet by tapping down below, and here tap on the add button in the upper right corner of the screen, and basically that's it. It has been added to your Apple wallet, so that you will be able to find it easily there as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.